If you want to set a custom watch face on your Redmi Watch 6, then to do so we will need to use the Mi Fitness app or the Mi Fitness app on your phone. Of course, make sure that you have device selected and make sure that your Redmi Watch 6 is selected over here. And then you want to go to all over here where we have this section with Manage Watch Faces text. So tap on all. Now here in online, you want to go to all category. Wait a couple of seconds and then look for custom. So we're going to go over here. Now here in custom, we should be able to choose one of these 4 styles. You can choose whichever you like the most. Let's say I'm going to choose this custom elegance. Let's wait a couple of seconds and then we need to apply the custom watch face. Of course, it's going to be updated on our watch as well, but after that we can also customize this watch face as well, and we should be able to choose our custom image. There we go. So now we're going to tap on edit here on the left side. Now here in the background we have add photo. We're going to tap here, use this plus button and choose any app that allows you to choose the picture that you want to set up on your watch. And let's say I'm going to select this picture over here. I'm going to tap on this check. There we go. And now we're going to tap on the picture again to select it. We can zoom in and zoom out. We can make some further adjustments here and there, so make sure to do so. And then tap on save. There we go. After making those changes, you can just exit. You can, for example, tap on this arrow. There we go. Here on this preview, we can see that the watch face has been updated, but still you can make some further we can make some further changes as well. Like for example, we can change the position of the clock, we can change its style, we can change the color, and so on and so forth. As you can see, many different options to choose from. So let's just tap on apply to update the custom watch face, and after a couple of seconds we should be able to see it on our watch. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.